Hi, it's Krista with WTI. I recently purchased this ANGELLOONG flickering flameless candle set, and this set has exceeded all of my expectations. They bring a warm, cozy, inviting ambiance into any room, and this is all without a real flame. The realistic flickering effect that this candle brings is really soothing and puts everyone in the room into a really relaxed mood. Each of the candles is a different height, which shows like they've burned for different periods of time. They have the texture of real wax, and they even have an appearance of a slightly melted edge. Another major advantage of flameless candles is, of course, the safety aspect. If you have pets or little hands that get curious, you don't have to worry about anyone getting burnt or any accidents happening. So you can truly just enjoy the flicker of the flame without any cares. I'm absolutely thrilled with my selection of these ANGELLOONG flameless candles. So if you're looking to add a soothing environment to your home, a little touch of romance, or you're just looking for a safe alternative to traditional wax candles, these are an excellent choice. And that's my point of view.